Hey, this is James, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about 6 traits you need to have in order to become a successful entrepreneur. And we're starting right now. Boom! This is James Randhouse, and I'd like to welcome you to video number 3 of my Entrepreneur series. If you'd like to start at the beginning of the series, you can click on the link in the description down below, or click on the YouTube card if you're on mobile. So what makes an entrepreneur different from practically everybody else? After doing some research, I found 6 defining traits that separate an entrepreneur from your average Joe. Number 1, high risk tolerance. When you look up the definition of entrepreneur, it states, a person who organizes and operates a business or businesses taking on greater than normal financial risk in order to do so. It's much easier and much more common to fail at business than it is to succeed. There's money on the line, time and energy invested, and dozens of other factors that can make or break your business. An entrepreneur understands all of this and manages his risk accordingly. Number 2, has a strong vision. If you don't know where you're going, anywhere will get you there. If you do know where you're going, you've already won half the battle. The other half is doing the necessary work to get you there. A successful entrepreneur has a clear picture in their mind of what they want and inspires them to move forward, which in turn inspires his team to move with him. Number 3, adaptable. In the course of business and life, the unexpected is bound to happen at one point or another. But like Jim Rohn said, it's not what happens, but how we respond to what happens that determines the course of our life. As human beings, we can train ourselves to become more flexible by framing each event, no matter how unpleasant, as something positive. When you see the good in everything, you'll find a way to use each experience to your advantage. Number 4, good listener. When you're building a business, your listening skills become very important. Whether it's listening to your customers, listening to your employees, listening to what your competitors are saying, etc. When you listen, you have the chance to learn something new, or hear a different perspective you might not have considered. Number 5, loves to learn. Successful entrepreneurs are always learning something new. They might pick something up from a book, a conversation, or even a conference. The world is advancing at a fast pace, and if you're not actively striving to keep up, you will get beaten by those who do. If you're interested in upping your knowledge, then stay tuned, because later on in this series, I'll show you 8 courses that will help up your game as an entrepreneur. Number 6, thick skin. An entrepreneur knows that running a business isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It involves a lot of rejection and criticism, especially from the people closest to you. It comes with the territory, so you better get used to it or go find something else to do. That's all I have for you today. Let me know which entrepreneur trait resonated with you the most in the comments below. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when the next video in this series drops. If you're watching this on Facebook, please like and share this video so other people can get value from it. Coming up, we're going to be talking about entrepreneur books. This is James Randhouse signing off. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!